Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an assignment in the Google Classroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the class that you created. For this you will find a separate video in this channel, on this channel. And then just click on the classwork button at the bottom of the page in the middle. And then just click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just click on the assignment button. So first you have to give a title to this assignment. And then you have to set if you want this assignment to be done by all of your students or just specific ones. Then you can give a description of the assignment. You can add attachments like links, photos, or even videos. And you can set how many points this assignment will be. But you can also check if you want it to be unmarked. Then you can set the due date, so the amount of time that the student has for this specific assignment. And then you can just like further specify the topic. And once you're done with everything, just click on the assign button at the top of the page on the right, and the assignment will be posted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.